Hi everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we're going to create a ready-to-sell baby shower invitation without starting from scratch. We're starting with this stock template that has a pink theme, and the goal is to completely transform it into a safari-style baby shower invite. Let's get started. First up, the background. We're going to remove the pink and switch it to something lighter, either a cream or a white. Let's go with this one. Yep, that feels just right. Now on to the fun part, illustrations. I'm heading over to Elements, Illustrations, and I'm typing in animals to see what we can use. There are so many cute options here. I think this one with the yellow car and safari animals is absolutely perfect. Let's add it into the design and adjust the placement so everything looks nice and balanced. Next, let's tweak the layout. We want the text to flow well with the illustration, so I'm going to make a few adjustments, resizing the text and shifting things around as needed. Take your time here to make sure it feels visually balanced. Now let's add a little color. I'm bringing in a soft green to give it more of that outdoorsy safari vibe. I'll change the word baby and the mother's name to green. It's just a small touch, but it makes a big difference. In just a few minutes, we've taken a stock pink template and turned it into a totally fresh, safari-themed baby shower invite. This is the magic of working with Templett. Quick edits, beautiful results, and tons of listing potential for your shop. Thanks so much for watching, and thanks for being here and supporting us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know what tutorial you'd love to see next.